Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using the stamp set Detailed in with Love, and we are going to be making this cute little card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and we're using the Detailed with Love, and we're going to be using the So Many of My Smiles Begin With You. I have a piece of Grapefruit Grove. And then I have that mounted on block D. And I'm going to come in with my Blackberry Bliss. Are you guys so happy that this one is back? I love it. Okay, so you want to make sure that it is good and inked up. So just like that. And now I'm going to come in with my Big Shot. And I have my Layering Ovals Framelits. And I'm just going to run that through. Okay, and I have a piece of Nature's Poem, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have a piece of the Grapefruit Grove, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. I'm just going to adhere that. And center that. And then I have the Nature's Twine. And I'm just going to bring in a piece of tape. And I'm going to make it cross, just like that. And then I'm going to get my snail again. And our card base is Blackberry Bliss, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. I'm just going to center that. And then we're going to take our sentiment and we are going to pop that up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And this is a really quick and simple card, guys. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple card telling someone that they are the reason you smile. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.